Hey guys, it's me again, Zara Black. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a little unboxing on another handbag. I know, it's getting addictive, but I bought this one secondhand, a little bit better. I mean, these handbag prices are getting absolutely ridiculous these days. So, I'm all about buying pre-loved, as long as the price is right, and the item is in good condition. I do not mind a pre-loved item. And look at that, such a nice touch. They said thank you. So this is from like a pre-loved sort of company. And from the pictures, it did look like it was in quite good condition. So I'm hoping that still is the case, what it is in here. Ooh, nice packaging. I'm a huge fan of like Dolce and Gabbana. Like, I know that they're not like a huge top brand, but I just love the quality. I think their designs just match my style completely. I really love a bit of Dolce and Gabbana, so I did get yet another piece from them. Now this is kind of, I don't know how necessary this was for my wardrobe, but I just fell in love with it when I saw it. And, I think the default is always to buy black bags. So I bought a black bag. And I thought this was cute. The only fear of mine, I did sort of, look at the measurements and think, can it fit my phone? Because I think that's a huge thing for me and all these luxury bags these days. Can it fit my phone inside? I've got an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and then I have an OtterBox. An OtterBox. If you have an OtterBox phone case, please just comment down below that you know what I mean, because they just add like 3 times the phone actual size to it. Okay, I can feel from now this is not going to fit my phone. It is actually way too small to fit my phone, but I think the idea of this is to traveling light, going to the a function, the store, whatever. This is in brilliant condition, by the way. This is what I mean by some of these secondhand items. For a fraction of the price you're getting. It's so cute. And I know this is against my rule of it having to fit my phone, but like, come on, it's just got so much character that I don't even mind. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is going to go with absolutely everything. When you're just going to the store and you just don't really want to carry that much, and it's a bit too much to like carry your good bags and all of that kind of stuff. You have to worry about scratching it and all that sort of jazz. Like, this is just so cute. Can you see it with like the outfit that I'm even wearing right now? Like, this is like an everyday, sort of work dress, but, come on now. Come on now. It just looks so cute. Let me give you a little close up. It's got that Dolce & Gabbana plaque that I absolutely love. I think the one a few years ago was a bit too big for my liking, but since they've kind of sized it down like this, I'm a huge fan of it. So yeah, it looks a lot bigger as I'm kind of putting it closer to you, but it's a really small bag. It does come with a chain. If you look in there, Dolce, that's it. The signature leopard print inside the bag. Guessing that's the certificate of authenticity. So let me just take out the stuffing. I mean, I would do a what fits, but you can see it doesn't fit anything in here. If I'm in my purse, like, really nice chain. I think that just adds all the character that you need for this. Like, seriously, you can do it crossbody as well if you want, which I might, oops. I might actually do that. It just, I just love it, guys. Like, if you're loving this bag, please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. What do you like about this purse? I know it doesn't fit my phone, so it's a bit of an impractical bag, but I mean, it can definitely fit my little purse inside it. I feel my little purse is actually here in this room, so hold on just one second. Just over here. Okay, if it can fit this little purse, then it's past the practical test. Okay, because if it can't fit anything inside it, like some of these nonsensical bags, there's no point. But if it can at least fit a purse inside, I put this inside like all of my luxury bags or whatever, just any kind of smaller bag that just to avoid rummaging. I don't think it's past the practical test. It doesn't fit. It doesn't actually fit. This could probably fit a card holder, This could probably fit a card holder. And to be honest, this is kind of like a coin purse. So if you do want to carry some coins like with you, a few £1 coins or wherever you're from, a couple cents or whatever, it's nice. But I just love this. It's got so much character, And again, it's not, Dolce & Gabbana is not one of, you know, the top brands when it comes to handbags at the moment. That might change in a couple of years, but I definitely, as I said, for my particular style, they definitely have got a lot of styles that I do love. And they're not overpriced. Like, come on, guys. These bags are costing thousands of pounds these days. Like, we don't want to be paying all that. Like, and, you know, bearing in mind, for the condition of this was bought, you know, secondhand. You know, you can see there's nothing on there. You know, absolutely nothing. You know, one man's trash is another man's treasure. And that person is me. This is my treasure. I just love it. As I say, it might have been an unnecessary purchase because I do have black bags, you know, that can actually fit phones and wallets inside. But I don't know. It's just for the character for me, you know. It's the character. It just adds a little, yes, girl, you know. As I say, as long as it can fit your cards. I don't have a card holder close by, but, you know, even if you can just put your cards and your coins in there, because I think it does have a little separate section that you can just put your cards inside, just to keep it tidy, you know, just to keep it tidy. We can just stuff all the cards in there. Do you know what I mean? You know, and it does close. It does close. There you go. You know, and, you know, put a few coins in there. I literally think this is just a store bag. It's a store bag. You know, I'm going shopping. I know what I'm going to spend, you know, that kind of thing. I'm not trying to travel too much. I know I'm going to be having my phone in my hand because this thing is not going to carry my phone. And yeah, I'm, you know, I got a bit of style, you know what I mean? It can go with anything, and, you know, a little shirt dress, a little day dress, summer dress, what have you, evening dress. Again, you know, this could be on a night out as well when you don't want to carry too much. You've got your phone in your hand, you know, taking them pictures and all that, you know. So, you know, just literally for the character. As I say, I don't really have anything like this in my wardrobe at the moment, and I'm all for the cute purses. So if you've liked this video and you want to see more of these little hauls, please do subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it if you gave this video a thumbs up as well. Comment down below if you like this bag, and if you have this bag. I love when people comment and they say they have the same bag as me. I doubt that anybody will have this, but let's see. Let's see where in the world you're from. This is like sort of a vintage kind of purse, so that's why I doubt anybody will actually have this, you know. But if you do, please comment. Even if you don't and you want to get one or what have you, got something similar, that would be nice. Let's connect from around the world with our purses. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you on the next one.